What is up, guys? This is Caden here. Today, guys, I'm gonna do a car review of my cars. I have my flash on. It's kind of dark in here for some reason. So, you get all the cars out. Okay, guys. The first one I'm going to do is my favorite one, which is this is my favorite one.
It's a computer.
We compare rates to help you get the price and coverage that's right for you.
That's amazing. The only thing that would make this better is if my mom were here.
It's a 1965 Chevy 150. Okay, that was done. I got this one.
Starting right now.
It's a Chevy Blazer 4-wheel drive.
Followed by a new We Bear Bear.
Then next up is
Hedgehog! Max!
at a 75. She says it rates. Chevy steps up 1975.
Whoops! Take a lap over the big sad potato. Why are you sad, large potato?
I lost my friends. Have you seen Hedgehog or Max?
Whoa! I look like a journalist to you, bro? If you want to track someone down, you should talk to Cinnamon Raisin Toast. Yeah, she's the best investigative reporter in this school. Yeah.
Okay, thanks.
Okay, good luck, big sad potato.
Wait, what school? Okay, Cinnamon Raisin Toast. In order to get popular banana split, you have to deny your old instincts and adapt to your new path. The sporty gene is latent in every organism. It just has to be activated. Can you do it? Heck yes! Step 1.
Guys, those are some of my cars I have. I got this new Jeep. It's a 2003 Jeep.
I love scoops. No, I love hoops. Step 2. Become a part of the pack.
Got all these cars right here. Got that. I got these. I'm playing with. I got this. Police.
No journalism. Right.
Little city. You know.
A journalism crew.
Maybe I'll just pop over there and see what they're reading.
Bye, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.
Sweet one with